Hello again, how's everybody doing? Up till now, when I've been cleaning wheels on a locomotive, I've tended just to hold them like that and, you know, do your cleaning and put a batter on the wheels to spin them round a bit and, but it's been kind of in the back of my mind that I really should get some kind of servicing cradle to put locomotives in when I'm working on them, especially for wheel cleaning. I've looked at the ones that are commercially available. Some are reasonably priced, quite cheap, and others are ridiculously expensive and over-engineered complex things that you simply don't need. But I thought there must be a very quick, simple solution, and what I've come up with is a sponge. This is the type of sponge you would use, to wash your car. You can get these in garages, hardware shops, probably in the supermarket. I can't say I've ever seen them, but I'm sure they're there. You usually buy them packs of two. They're very, very cheap, and all you need to do is cut a slot in it. It's as simple as that, and you can stick your locomotive in, and there you go, you've got your Cradle. That's a little tank engine. It'll take a big 462, and if you move it along a bit, if you've got a tender driven one with the tender connected, you can get the tender in as well, and it'll take a big Deltic as well. And it's quite good because it's nice and easy to move around. Okay, it overhangs at the ends, but that doesn't matter. So there you go, a simple sponge that we use for washing things. Cut a simple slot. You just do that with a scalpel or Stanley knife or whatever, it's not difficult. And there you have a very, very cheap but perfectly effective servicing cradle. And that's what I'm going to be using from now on. Okay, catch you later guys.